Today is Saturday, June 28th, 2025. So last week, Tuesday after market open, I saw AVAV reported earnings, and earnings whispers showed they had triple-digit earnings. So the earnings are 274%, the revenue was 40%. They had a nice earnings beat. I saw they had originally gapped down after the earnings report, but then it came back. It was interesting enough that I put it in my watch list for the next day. And just watching AVAV pre-market Wednesday morning, it did start gapping up. You can see here on the 5-minute chart. That definitely got me interested. And since focusing on earnings EP type setups and trading it the next day, but it certainly gapped up pre-market, and it did come up above really close to all-time highs. You can see on the daily chart here, about 200. I had my shares ready to buy immediately to take a trade. Yeah, I entered about the 2-minute opening range highs. I bought at 227.18, which was about the 2-minute opening range high. I entered so at the low of the day, and the trade pretty much went straight up from there. It did pull back later in the day. You can see the next day it did continue to gap up. First profit target is 3x. The average daily range was 4.5 or something. So 3x that was about 15%. I set an order to sell some at the 3x ADR, and I took a third off my shares here. This thing has been straight up since I bought it. I have two-thirds shares left. My trade plan: sell a third at 3x ADR, which I did. The next profit target, I'll sell a third at the 10, the first close beneath the 10 EMA. And then the last third at the 20 EMA. And this is a trade, since it is an earnings winner, it's something I want to hold longer, just to let the earnings drift and just let the chart play out. Only trade in my portfolio right now. And I'm just going to hold this, let it play out. I don't really care what it does in the short term. I'm just trailing with the 10 and 20 EMA to let the possibility, if it wants to make a bigger move, just let that possibility play out. And so far, it's been a pretty good trade.